Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a $30 session, and I have the new tickets here in California, the pinball payout. I just got one ticket, it's $2, and the 3 ticket of Kapow, and the winner chicken dinner, 2 tickets, and Miss Pac-Man, and the single, double, triple. Okay guys, wish me luck. Yeah, let's try this pinball. In here we need to uncover win symbol, word, win that prize, and we need to find the 2x, the word high score, and the bonus we need to find the Thunderbolt here. Win $10 instantly. This is ticket 88. Yes. Okay. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, no. Nope. Okay. Okay, I think nothing. So, not a winner on this ticket. Let's go with the Kapow. There's a bonuses here. We need to find the fireworks. Win instantly $20. And we need to find 2x, 5x, and the word Kapow. Win 15 prizes automatically. This is ticket number 95, book number 3. Okay. Gems. Dollar tag. Winning numbers 19, 4, 27, 14, and 23. CC Norco. 6, 16, 25, 12, 3, 17, 1, 9, 11, 7. Oh, we got 19. Alright, 26, we got 28, we got 27. My 8 and LVUSO. 27, yes. Second match. And 18. We got 19 and 27. $3. And a 2. So $5. Okay, we're on board. So winner chicken dinner. There's a bonuses here. It's $50 bonus spot, and we need to find the 5x and the chicken. Chicken win all 18 prizes. This is ticket 74, book number 1. Okay, I'll do the ticket 73. I didn't see that. Okay. Crown and the ring. Winning numbers 23, CC Norco, 34, 7, 26, and 22. My 8 and LVUSO, 17, 18, 12, 33, we got 34, 2, 28, 35, 21, 37, 9, 20, 29, 4, 24, bestie M2M, 19, 1, and 6. We got 7. Not a winner. Okay, ticket 74. Safe. A bell. 28, 18, 23, 26, and 21. 30, 13, 1, 10, 20, 4, 19, we got 18, 7, 14, 11, 32, 22, got 23, 24, 3, 12, 29, 33, and 36. Not a winner. No chicken dinner. Okay, let's go with Miss Pac-Man. We need to find the star, win instantly, and 2x, 5x, and 10x. Okay. Nothing. Okay. Winning numbers 33, 32, 28, 21, and 16. 7, 14, 9, 17, 26. I wish there's a symbol here. 4, 35, 31, 23, 13, 24, best M to M, 29, got 28, 12, 34. Oh, wish come true. Star. 27 and 25. Okay. Jackpot ticket, $5. All right. So we get 5 here, kapaw, and 5 here. Okay, last ticket. Single, double, triple. Yes. Okay, this is new. Match 2 game numbers in the same game. Excuse me. To any of the winning numbers, win 2 times the prize for that game. Match 3 games numbers in the same game to any of the winning numbers, win 3 times the prize for that game. Okay. Ticket 39. Book number 7. Okay. Winning number 68, 7, 67, 86, 78, and 89. Okay, that's our winning numbers. Okay. 98, 12, 16. 69, 46, 82. 72, 27, and 1. 8, 53, and 34. No. 23, 60, 83. 58, 38, 61. 73, 87, 62, 56, 50, 99, 5, 35, 20, no, 48, 85, we got 86, 96, 42, 22, 84, 47, 36, 10, 24, 92, 94, 25, 93, 41, 9, 70, 80, 31, 95, 90, 28, 66, 43, 54, no. No, not a winner. So we got $10 return. Okay, we did try with this. We lost 20. We got 10 back. So we did try the new one, the new ticket. I hope you enjoy watching my video. We didn't lose, at least we did get something back. Thank you so much guys for watching, and enjoy your day or evening wherever you are. Take care. Bye. Thank you, California. Bye. Love you all.